So hello there guys, it's me Omkar. Today I'm going to make this mask of Obito Uchiha. For making this mask, we need some cardboards. Wait a minute, I don't have a cardboard. Now I have the cardboards. You can use cereal box also if you want. So now cut some strips. Just like that. And now we are going to use the strips to frame around your head. Just like that. You can adjust if you want. Follow the same step again, but now use the strips to frame around your face. Just like that. Next step is add some horizontal strips all over the mask. It just makes your mask stronger as fuck. If you're done, the next step is making paper mache. For making that, add glue and water. And you're done. Get some newspapers and cut them and stick all over the mask using glue plus water. You can add more layer if you want. I add another layer of paper because I want my mask strong as fuck. So now I'm going to paint this mask. I'm using acrylic white color. After that, add some details. And your mask is now ready. You can use this mask for cosplay and stuff. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this mask, then break that goddamn like button and subscribe this channel for more content. So sayonara, I guess.